Good day and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a foreign WhatsApp account. If this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and comment. The first thing you have to do is go to your Chrome or your browser account and, search for testblog.net. After that, it will bring their platform, it shows their platform. The first thing you have to do is I already have my own account created already. Then you have to sign up. That's a normal thing, sign up. So I'll be diving into my own account. So let me show you how to register on testblog.net. As you can see, it says enter your Gmail, then you fill in your original Gmail, then your real name, then password, then you put the same password again. That's all, and then you create your account. You will get a notification email on your Gmail, then you activate it. So that's how to create a testblog.net account. So let's go back. So I will put my yeah, this is my dashboard. As you can see, if you are in Nigeria, it will show 0 naira. As you can see. So these are the test blog looks like. My orders, these are my orders. As you can see. I've already used it once to create a WhatsApp account. So as you can see, this is very legit. So the first thing you have to do is that you want to create a WhatsApp account, which means a foreign one. Then you click on add funds. You say the minimum is 500 that you can fund with. Then what do you have to do first is that you have to check the order, as in the service you want to buy on testblog. You can buy any other service or anything you are looking for. What we actually want to do here is to create a WhatsApp account. Then you choose United States. If you are trying to create a United States account, it's 35. If we are trying to create a UK, it's 2,790. So 2,790, that is if you are trying to create a profile. So it brings the amount they are going to charge you. So let's add the fund and show. Let's get started. So you click on pay. So as you can see, it brings out the payment option for you. Maybe whether we want to use the card, USSD, bank, or bank transfer, or any one of the 5 options they listed here. So I'll be making use of my bank transfer. So click on pay. So as you can see, it gives you a bank account that you are going to deposit the money to. So always make sure to cross-check the account again once again when you're trying to deposit, so as not to make any mistake. So as you can see, this is the amount you want to deposit. You have to deposit the original amount. Do not add any amount to it. So then after making your, after you're done with your transaction, then click on have made this bank transfer. So they confirm it. So you can see, thanks for your payment. Your transaction was completely successful. So, so as you can see, it shows you your balance up here. So let's go to where we want to purchase our number. So, so choose United States, United Kingdom, sorry. So available numbers 561. So just click on submit. So then by clicking buy now, just click on buy now. So it says order placed successfully. Click here to check if the your temporary phone number. So that's because I'm still waiting for my code. So right now I'm waiting for my code. So as you can see, your WhatsApp code is 8. So I'm done creating my WhatsApp phone account. So if you really enjoy this video, if you really enjoy my video, please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it and comment. Good day and thanks for watching. So in case you want to show, I'll show you the proof of how I created my account later. Good day everyone.